Hello, everyone. Today is our final lesson on Hangul basics. Do you remember all the consonants and vowels we learned last time? Today, we're going to learn all the ways to assemble these Lego blocks to make real Hangul letters like ga, go, gang, and gung. Hangul letters are written to fit perfectly inside a square block. You only need to remember 4 simple rules. Rule number 1. Remember those tall vowels that are long vertically, like a, ya, o, ya, and e? These vowels always go on the right side of the consonant. For example, when the consonant lir meets the vowel a, it sticks to the right and becomes la. Rule number 2. How about the short vowels that are long horizontally, like o, yo, u, you, and u? These vowels always go underneath the consonant. When the consonant kiok meets the vowel o, it sticks to the bottom and becomes go. Rule number 3. This one is super important. What if you want to write just a vowel sound, like a or o, with no consonant sound? In Hangul, a vowel cannot stand alone as a syllable block. So, we add the silent consonant, iung, to fill the empty consonant spot. If you want to write the a sound, you put iung on the left, and it becomes a. If you want to write the o sound, you put iung on top, and it becomes o. Remember, ga and a have completely different sounds. Please be sure to remember this. Okay, so far, these are the basic letters where one consonant and one vowel meet. But in the word Hangul, the hun part, or in kimchi, the kim part, you see something extra attached at the bottom, right? That's right. It's the final 4th rule of Hangul combination, called Batchim. Batchim is a Korean word that means the final consonant that supports the syllable from the bottom. The rule is very simple. This Batchim always goes right into the bottommost spot of the letter block. Remember ka we learned earlier? If you add the iung Batchim underneath that ka block, it becomes kang, from ka to kang. How about the ko block? If you add the iung Batchim underneath that, it becomes kong, from ko to kong. If you add an iung Batchim underneath the a block, it becomes ang. It doesn't matter what shape the letter is. The Batchim always goes to the very bottom spot. Okay, so let's review the 4 combination rules we learned today, shall we? And please repeat the example syllable for each rule out loud. Rule 1. Tall vowels go on the right. Example, the consonant nian plus a is na. Repeat after me. Na. Rule 2. Short vowels go underneath. Example, the consonant digat plus u is do. Repeat after me. Do. Rule 3. Use the silent iung for vowel-only sounds. Example, iung plus e is e. Repeat after me. E. Rule 4. The final consonant, batchim, always goes on the very bottom. Example, iung plus a plus a nian batchim is an. Repeat after me. An. Wow! You've now mastered all the combination principles of Hangul. You are now ready to read any Hangul block you see in your K-life. That's amazing!